Welcome back to another Equinox Hair and Beauty video. Today I'll be doing microblading. These are all the implements I used, all of which are easily accessible online. Hairnet, numbing cream, alcohol pads, applicators, gloves, blades, and basically everything needed. Needles looking very scary, ointment, that's the hairnet, and the bed, covers, heat warmer, and thingy for the bed. This is her eyebrows before. I think she had great eyebrows going in, so this wasn't very hard. I started by numbing the area, and then I cleaned up her brows. Then I numbed the area again just to make sure that, it's maximum numb. Then I used my tools to outline her brows. Once she was okay with it, I then went ahead and started the microblading process. I did a total of 2 passes. I wanted to do a third just to fill in some areas that I thought needed a little bit more attention, but she was being a little bitch and she was just like, this is perfect. I don't need anything else. This looks good. She was ready to get this is her eyebrows after. A lot fuller. She won't have to fill it in. Then I applied the ointment, made sure that, everything looked good, and then this was her eyebrows before, and voila, this is the after. I love it. She loves it. I hope you guys like it. Leave some comments below. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know what you think I should have done better, because I'm always looking to learn and improve. Thank you guys so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you in my next one. Let me know what else you guys would like me to make. Yeah, just let me know stuff. Talk to me. That's what the comments are for.